Imagine a world where your business operates 24/7, growing even while you sleep. What if I told you that you're just one step away from unlocking that reality? Sounds impossible? It's not. It's happening right now for hundreds of businesses just like yours. The biggest challenge businesses face today isn't a lack of customers, it's how to consistently reach them, engage them, and convert them into loyal advocates. In a world bombarded with options, standing out is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. But how do you do that when your time, resources, and energy are already stretched thin? That's where we come in. Insert Biz Name offers a cutting-edge solution tailored to businesses like yours. We combine AI-powered tools, data-driven strategies, and personalized customer experiences to help you maximize your outreach with precision targeting. Automate repetitive tasks so you focus on what truly matters. Increase your revenue by up to specific percentage statistic. It's like having a supercharged 24/7 sales and marketing team at a fraction of the cost. We've already helped over X number of businesses achieve specific result. From startups scaling to seven figures to established brands redefining their market presence, our proven system delivers results. And the best part, it's easy to implement and designed to grow with you. Here's your chance to take your business to the next level. Don't let opportunities slip away while your competitors move ahead. Schedule a free consultation with us today, and let's build the future of your business together. Click the link below or scan the QR code to get started. The next big success story could be yours. Why wait? Your success is just one decision away. Make it count.